People may hear our words, but they definitely can feel our attitude. Many a times it has happened that when we are talking, we see people are not keen listening to us. Many a times when we are trying to address something, people just don't take it seriously. And many a times it has also happened when we are talking, maybe when we are addressing a crowd, we would see people getting up and walking out of the room. Isn't this frustrating? Because we are here, we have prepared a topic, we have jotted down some points, and we want to put it across to people, but people show no interest listening to whatever you are saying. But here we need to understand the problem is not with the people, the problem is with us. We are very good speakers, but we are not able to connect to people. So that is where we fail as a person or as a communicator. So what I have understood in this 5 to 6 years of time is like, when you want to connect to people, there are three things you need to keep in mind. You can have a beautiful English, you may speak wonderfully in Hindi, Kannada, or any language. However, if you are not connecting to them visually, intellectually, and emotionally, there is no way people could listen to us. So when I say visually, it's very simple. When we are talking to people, please look at them. Put your eyes straight into their eyes. Maintain an eye contact. So when you do that, the other person also takes responsibility responding back to you. In that way, you can connect to that person. Like, they say, eyes are the windows of our soul. So many a times, our eyes communicate more than what we are speaking. So that is very important. And the second thing is connect to them intellectually. When I say intellectually, it is all about connect to them through your mind, your mental connection with the people. So here, how can we do that is whenever you're talking, if maybe a 3-minute or 4-minute talk, you're on and on going, but here you need to pause in between, look at the person and ask questions. Let him speak and you listen. Listen not to answer, but listen to understand. So this helps you to connect with that person on a very good note. The third one is emotionally. Here when I say emotionally, I would say appropriate touches like shaking his hand or patting on his shoulder, agreeing to his point. This is all I could say as emotionally. But understand, you need to touch him or her appropriately. And also always have a smile on your face, because smile is something which can connect with everybody. Thank you so much. Hope this helps you.